Do you guys want to learn how to airdrop items to your PC? Here's how you can do that. So one of the main issues we have with Windows and iPhones is the airdrop process and the seamless ecosystem that Apple seems to have. But we have a remedy for that. So step number one, what I want you guys to do is go on your Windows computer and your iPhone, go into Safari or your internet browser, and look up this website called pairdrop.net. Do that on both devices. So now that we're here, pairdrop.net, make sure you're on the same exact network so they can appear. Notice how my device here has appeared. Right there, Ivory Tick. Here, my name is Ivory Tick down there. Once you're on here, all you have to do is either tap on the device. You could be on iPhone or Windows, either one, tap on it and send the item. So for example, let's say I'm on my iPhone, right? And I want to send them a photo. All I have to do is click the Windows computer, which is that, find the file, click add, and the second I did that, it appeared on the computer. All I have to do is click accept, and on the top right, it downloaded, and there's the photo. The same way works the other way around. Let's say I'm on my Windows computer. I decide to either drag the item on here, like this, and now it has appeared on my iPhone screen. So I'll show you again. So I'm going to decline it and do the same thing again and go on my Windows, send the iPhone the page, and once I did that, it appeared the same way it does on AirDrop. Super simple, super fast, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to put it down in the comment section below that it worked, and be sure to share it with your friends. Thanks, have a good one.